I'm an English teacher at SMPN 12 Jakarta. Now, I'm a student of Program Profesi Guru, Batch 4 2021 at University Catholic Media Mandala, Surabaya. This activity is taken today on Monday, December 6, 2021. Today, I would like to share my experience in teaching learning process for Uji Kinerja UKM PPG in 9th grade SMP with material narrative text. Here's the video. Happy watching! Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay, good morning class. How is your life today?
Morning, ma'am.
Good, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. I'm great. Thank you very much. Okay, anybody want to lead the prayer? Anybody want to lead the prayer? Raihan maybe.
Yeah.
Raihan, go ahead, Raihan.
To make our lesson go on, we pray to God according to our own beliefs. Pray begin. Finish praying.
Okay, thank you, Raihan. Okay, now let me check your attendance. Gracia, are you here?
Yes.
Jovinka?
ma'am.
Jovinka, are you here?
Yes, I'm here.
Raihan?
Present, ma'am.
And who is absent today?
Zevanya, ma'am.
Jevanya, yeah? Anybody knows about Jevanya?
No, I tried to contact her, but she didn't answer.
Okay, maybe. Okay, class. Do you still remember our last meeting? It's about what?
It's about narrative text.
It's about narrative text. Okay. So, do you still remember about what is the narrative text? After you learn many stories, yeah, like Cinderella, the Legend of the Surabaya, and so on. So you can conclude that the definition of the narrative text. So what is the narrative text?
Fictional stories, I guess.
Yes. Okay, what have you learned from our last meeting? So what have you learned? Have you learned about the moral value of the story?
Yeah, we have learned that.
Yes, the moral value, right? Have you got the information from the story?
From Cinderella, I learned to be kind. To always act kind to others, even though people treat us too badly.
Okay, that's the
That's
moral
what I
value
learned
of the
about
Cinderella,
Cinderella.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, what about the Legend of the Surabaya City?
I learned to always keep our promise.
Yeah, we have to keep our promise, right? Yeah, good job.
Yeah.
Can learn from that story. Yeah. So now, what is the definition of the narrative text? Anybody knows? A narrative text is an imaginative story to entertain the people. Ya, imaginative story to entertain the people. Jadi tujuannya, jadi makna dari narrative text itu to entertain. It's an imaginative story to entertain the people. Terhibur nggak dengan adanya Cinderella?
Yeah.
Ya. Karena itulah pengertian daripada narrative text. Okay. So what about the social purpose of the text? Ya. Tujuannya apa sih narrative text tuh?
To entertain us.
Yeah, to entertain. Good job. Okay. To entertain the readers. Okay. What else? To amuse the readers. Yeah, to amuse.
Membuat pembaca kagum.
Yeah.
Mengagumkan diri.
Yeah, that's good. Okay. To amuse the readers. And then to teach us to have a good characters. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sorry.
by learning the story. Yeah, by learning something from the story. Yeah, we can be a good person, strong. Yeah, then patient, to be kind. Yeah, to be wise person like that. Okay, so that's the goal, the purpose of the story. Okay, what about the generic structure? Yeah,
Orientation, complication, resolution.
good job. Orientation, and then
Complication,
and then
resolution.
resolution, and the last reorientation. Yeah, that's good. Okay, orientation. Ya, orientation itu apa? Pembukaan ya, pembukaan dan complication. Ya, muncullah di situ permasalahan-permasalahan, and then the resolution, pemecahan masalah. The last is reorientation. Reorientation itu adalah penutup ya. And look at the picture. Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we can see it.
Yeah, can you guess what picture is that?
It's Little Red Riding Hood.
It's a Little Red Riding Hood. Okay.
Riding Hood.
Yeah, who is that? It's a Little Red Riding Hood. Have you watched the film of Little Red Riding Hood?
I have watched the film,
Yeah.
but I forgot. Sorry, it's called.
How do you feel after watching the film or the movie? So how do you feel? Yeah. Are you happy?
I'm happy. Sometimes I was amazed.
Yeah. If you are happy, that's the function of narrative text, right? Yeah, to entertain the reader. Ya, to entertain the reader. Tujuannya adalah untuk menghibur pembaca sehingga pembaca feel happy. Okay?
After we read the story or watch it, sometimes it would make us very happy. Like before we watch it, we feel.
Okay. So now we are going to learn. Yeah. Today we are going to learn to rearrange the jumbled paragraph and use the story mountain to know the plot of the story. Yeah, rearrange the jumbled paragraph and use the story mountain to know the plot of the story. And after that, discuss the setting, character, storyline, or plot, and get a lesson from the story. Report the result of the group discussion and retell. At the end, you have to retell the story of Little Red Riding Hood. Okay? Okay, now. Okay, now watch the film carefully, and then after that, I will ask you some questions about the story.
Little Red Riding Hood. Lovely daughter, Grandma is sick. I made some pies for her. Please take them to her. Yes, okay, Mum. There are lots of wolves in the forest. You should follow the road to avoid being eaten. Remember not to wander, or you'll get lost. I remember. La la la, the sky is beautiful and the breeze is fresh. Oh, a beautiful flower. I think I'll take these flowers to my grandma. I'm sure she'll love them. Which way shall I go now? This is the straight path. It should lead straight to Grandma's. This is the forest edge, but this path has pretty flowers. Oh well, I'll go on the forest edge to see the flowers and play with the butterflies. Little Red Riding Hood, I heard your mum say that you should follow the main path earlier. Don't detour, or you'll be eaten by wolves. You should listen to your mother and follow her This path has pretty flowers and beautiful butterflies. Don't you agree with me? I prefer this path.
Looks like there's a good prey over there. Nice. Hey there, Little Red Riding Hood. Where is it that you're heading on this fine day?
I'm heading to my grandma's house to give her the pies my mum just made for her.
Oh, so this little girl has a grandma. Then I think I will eat both of them. But I think I just need to wait just a little more. Then I'll be able to eat both. Why not? Where is your grandma's house? Is it far from here, little girl?
My grandma's house is on the other side of the forest, the house with the long chimney. I just need to push the door and go in.
This is awesome. Okay, goodbye, little girl. See you soon. Sweetheart, you're here. Oh, a wolf. No. Yes, I've arrived. I'm nearly full. Now I shall disguise myself as the grandma and wait here for the next prey.
Grandma, I'm here to see you. Grandma, hope you're feeling better today. I bought some pies Mum made you.
Really? Okay. Thank you both. Now, my lovely sweetheart, why don't you come over here?
Grandma, why are your ears so long today?
My ears are so long for all the better to hear you with, my dear.
Grandma, why are your eyes so big and black today?
Oh, my eyes are so big so I can see my beautiful granddaughter more clearly.
Grandma, why is your mouth so big today?
My mouth is so big to eat you easier.
What is it? What's going on here?
I think I just heard a cry for help from a girl. She must have been swallowed by this vile wolf.
Oh, Grandma, my grandma's here.
Thought I would never be able to see my granddaughter again. From now on, you need to be more careful, girl.
Yes, I understand. It was my fault. I should have listened to my mum's instructions and followed the straight path. I almost harmed my grandma.
And from that day on, Little Red Riding Hood never disobeyed her mum ever again.
Her mom said that don't detour. What does it mean with detour?
Mengubah arah.
Don't use a different road. Yeah, just on the way, on the right way. That's the detour. Don't detour. So, can you see the picture?
Yes, we can see
Yes.
it.
Can you describe the picture? Can you describe the picture based on the story of Little Red Riding Hood? Yeah.
Little Red Riding Hood is leaving her house to give the pie to her grandmother.
What about this? Can you describe the picture?
Riding Hood
Little Red Riding Hood.
way to her grandmother's house,
Huh?
and she met the wolf.
Met the wolf.
Wolf. And the wolf asking her what she was doing there and where she wanted to go. I guess.
Okay. So, what happened next? After Little Red Riding Hood met the wolf, so what happened next?
Little Red Riding Hood continued to her grandmother's house, but
After this, we'll make the big up room, and then you discuss about the the jumbled paragraph. Yeah, you have to put the right paragraph in the right order. And then you can discuss about the storyline of the story Little Red Riding Hood. Okay. Okay, now. Yeah, after this, you go to the groups and you discuss about the storyline of the story. Yes, using the story mountain. Yeah, what is the orientation? Do you still remember orientation? This is the opening paragraph, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. In the orientation, that's the introduce the person or characters. Yes, is that right? Yeah, dia
Yes, ma'am.
the person or the characters, and then the setting. That's the orientation. Okay, and then the rising action. Yeah, and then the rising action. It includes the series of events. Yeah, usually the conflicts or the struggles of the protagonists. Yeah, in the rising action, it includes the series of events. Yeah, there are usually the conflicts. There are problems. There are many problems in the rising action. Okay, there are many problems. Okay. And then the climax, yeah. Anybody knows about climax?
When the wolf eat her grandma and Little Red
Riding Hood.
Ya, ya. Coba diulang, Baron. Klimaksnya.
When the wolf eat the grandmother and eat Little Red Riding Hood.
Yeah, yeah. Try to eat Little Red Riding Hood, right? That's the climax of the Little Red Riding Hood story. Oke, itu masalah yang konflik dari cerita tersebut yang benar-benar puncaknya ya, puncak dari permasalahan pada sebuah cerita. Nah, itu adalah klimaks. And then the last, terakhir, kalau sudah reda, permasalahannya sudah hilang, nah berarti muncullah resolution ya, muncullah resolution. Oke. Apa itu resolution?
The end of the story, ma'am.
Yeah, the end of the story, yeah. The conclusion of the story. Is it happy ending or sad ending?
Ending.
Happy ending or sad ending. Now, yeah, your task is go to your groups and the breakout room. Yeah, and then you cut off the events below. Place them in order on the story mountain. Yeah, place them on the story mountain. Yeah, like this. Ya, nanti sini ada story mountain, and then you have to put. Yeah, and then after you cut, you put the paragraph. Yeah, into the story mountain. Yeah, for example, orientation start from at the bottom of the mountain. And then problems, rising action, problemsnya apa, and then the climax, yeah. And then after that, falling action, yeah, apa, and the last reorientation. Okay, you got a point, class? Do you understand? Any question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am, we got the point.
Okay, yeah, I will say the groups. Come on, join the groups. Hello, group 2.
Hello, ma'am.
Have you discussed the tasks?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, we are in the middle of discuss.
What have you discussed?
We just discussed orientation, ma'am.
Orientation? And then so what is the orientation? What sentence? What paragraph?
The Little Riding Hood set off to see her grandma.
Yeah, that's good. The Little Red Riding Hood set off to see her grandma. That's the orientation. Okay. If you got a problem, you can ask me.
Okay, ma'am.
Little Red Riding Hood's grandma was not well then.
Berarti habis itu yang ini ya, Kai?
Iya.
Menurut lo? Kalau Baron sama Felicia sama nggak?
Sama sih.
Iya deh. Pas Riding Hood-nya di forest.
Di Flores tuh ada tuh meet a wolf yang mana
Berarti
tadi?
itu
Aku udah
kan
baca.
katanya kan itu kan masuk rising action.
Ya bentar. Ada tadi yang udah dia diperingatin jangan ngambil shortcut tapi dia malah masuk shortcutnya. Mana tadi ku baca tadi ada deh sempet mana.
Okay, what is the next?
Yang kanan tengah nih.
It's Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf who told her not to take the shortcut.
After that itu dia akan langsung ini.
Okay. Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf who taught her not to take the shortcut.
Abis itu menurut kalian yang mana?
Yang di tengah nggak sih?
Yang tengah, yang paling tengah. Tengah.
Yang paling di tengah bang.
Arrive ini ya?
Iya.
Ini masih rising action ya? Kan?
Iya.
Apa Kai?
Kayaknya iya.
Seharusnya jatuhnya pas. Seharusnya jatuh pasnya itu di klimaksnya itu yang bagian terakhir itu dia dimakan kan. Jatuh pasnya. Abis itu datang si woodcutter.
Tunggu dulu.
Tapi bisa sih.
Riding Hood arrived at her grandma's and found grandma in bed itu
Masuknya masih ke rising
masuknya
action.
ke rising action nggak sih?
Iya, seharusnya masuknya belum masuk ke klimaksnya.
Iya. Karena Riding Hood arrive baru abis ini.
Lalu tiba, lalu dia baru menyadari, oke?
Habis itu ini.
Yeah, the wolf tries to eat the Little Red Riding Hood. Yeah. And then?
The woodcutter had.
Yeah, the woodcutter heard. Cries for help. Jadi, and then?
The wolf yang paling kiri.
Ya, ini masuk kategorinya apa ini?
Ini mem bagian resolutionnya.
Ya, resolution ya, pemecahan masalahnya. Oke, group 1, have you finished?
Yes, man. Lagi dicek lagi.
Iya, man. Oke, so what is the rising action?
Rising actionnya ini, man.
The Red Riding Hood's grandma was not well, and then terusnya, and then so the climax, the wolf tries to eat Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, and the following. Apa ini?
The woodcutter heard cries for help and rushed in to save Little Riding Hood.
Yeah, that's good. And then the resolution.
The wolves were taken to the light to live in a zoo, and they all lived happy ever after.
Okay. They live happily ever after. Okay. Okay, good. You can go to the main group. Okay, class. After you discuss about the story of the Little Red Riding Hood, yeah, what is the moral value? What can you learn from the story of Little Red Riding Hood? Gracia. Kameranya dikasih lihat, Gracia. What can you learn from the story?
To listen and remember to what your mother.
Yes, that's good. To listen
and remember the mother's advice.
Yeah, the mother's advice. So you have to listen. You have to listen. You have to remember what your mother said. Okay. Now go to the Padlet. Use your own words. Just only one sentence. Yeah. And then your friends will continue your sentence.
One day, a girl called Little Riding Hood is asked by her mother to bring food for her grandmother at her home.
Yeah, one day, a girl called Little Red Riding Hood is asked by her mother to bring food for her grandmother at her home. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Thank you, class. Okay. Okay, Ibu. Any question?
No.
No, ma'am.
What we have learned today? What we have learned? Apa yang sudah kita pelajari?
Have learned about.
Yeah, first we have learned about
the text and the story of Little Red Riding.
the detailed information of the story, right?
Yes.
Okay, and then the storyline of the story of the Little Riding Hood.
And the moral value.
And the moral value. Okay. After you know the moral value, so what do you have to do? After this, you have to follow your parents' command, your parents' instruction, so that you will be in the right way in your life. Okay? Yeah, that's so. What is the generic structure? Is there any problems? Ada masalahnya? Ada masalahnya di ceritanya Little Riding Hood? Yes? Ada problems? Okay, yeah, that's the complication, ya. Ada masalah. And then after the complication, there is a resolution. Apakah ada resolution tadi di cerita itu?
Yes, there is.
Okay, ya. Jadi after we get the complication, we have now the resolution, ya. Setelah ada complication, pasti ada resolution. And at the end, terkadang it's optional, ya. Kadang ada reorientation, terkadang tidak. That's the optional, ya. Optional, jadi tinggal harus ada. Jadi yang utama dalam naratif teks itu ada orientation, complication, and then the resolution. Okay. Okay, now after we do the activities, we have to do the tasks, yeah, the evaluation, the evaluation of the activities today from the Google form. Yeah, Rani said it's about a little girl named Little Red Riding Hood. And a wolf. He tries, ya, to kill. Ini to kill nggak boleh, ya. Dalam grammar itu tidak boleh setelah to itu harus kata kerja pertama. Tidak boleh kill, tapi kill aja, ya. What is the moral value of the story? We need to obey, ya. Kita harus mematuhi our parents and help someone in need. Yeah, we need to obey our parents. That's the moral value. Okay.
Punya saya, Mem.
Ini baru nih. Why did Little Red Riding Hood go to her grandma's house? Because her grandmother. Nah, ini keterangannya, kata bantunya apa di sini? Ya, tambah di sini was sick. Ya. To make you be best in English, if you want to be master in English, yeah, in speaking, so you have to listen. So you have to listen the story. You watch the film or movie, and then you find out the difficult word from that story, from that film, from that movie, and then you find the meaning of that word. You find the meaning of that word. So you just not only watch the film, but also you have also know the meaning of the word. Okay. Okay. Thank you for joining with my class. Thank you for today. I'm so happy and I'm so glad to you. So don't forget to send my regard to your parents and have a nice day. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.